You good? Yeah, we'll just go this way.
I had a click with it, but I don't know what the fuck that was.
Ready?
Yeah.
Want to do your bike first?
Sure.
Did you see that door open?
In that building?
Yeah. It's open. It's open now. I don't think it was open when we first pulled up.
Maybe there's something messing there.
Yeah, I'm not gonna check it out though.
Man, I went after a motorcycle, man.
Oh shit. Oh. Ready? Here, I'll lift it. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Go.
Hold on. I'm just gonna lift it over, okay?
Alright. Ready, set, go.
Oh, burning plastic.
Yeah. Good. It's a lot of work. Oh, that doesn't work. Oh shit. Alright. Trying to see where it's like flatter.
It's not, really.
Yeah. Alright. Shit. Ready? Fuck. I'll go at an angle like this. It's a little flatter over there. Try that way. Progress.
Just slide it over.
Maybe. If we can't go that way, there's a little path right there. I don't know if we can pick it up.
I'll just pick up a wheel at a time.
Yeah, I might have to. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Push it forward a little bit. Alright. 1, 2, 3. That's way easier. Time consuming, but easier. if you could just pull up on the rear just a bit, or we can just pick it up. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Shit. Ah, it's good. Made it over. It's good. Oh, you got it? I gotta come to the other side. Alright. I got it.
Good now?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh, fuck.
Watch it, man. Fucking drop down here.
Yeah. Oh, shit. I need new grips. I mean, I did before.
Straight.
Yeah.
Mine got fucked up.
Did they? I gotta kill it. Oh man, that was fun. Oh! Ah! Almost.